As a potato, I am no food reviewer, but I do like my coffee, right? And my brother bought me this today. So, is from Bun Bun Chicken in St. Mary's Junction next to KFC. And so it is a coconut latte, and he was very proud that he got me a coconut latte. So I asked him why coconut, because I am not really a huge fan of coconut, right? He said it was the only thing that they had with coffee. Now that's really sweet, because even if he had bought me a bubble tea, I would have been happy with that too. But he was sweet enough to, so let's try it. So it did come with this green foil in it, which I guess was to prevent leaking and whatnot, but let's try it. It is also iced, which I really like, and yep, the foil was to prevent leaking. I'll be real honest here. So I do not know if I would like this, because I usually go for like sweeter stuff, but I don't know. It's sweet, and I really get like a strong coffee taste out of it. But then again, I don't know if lattes, you just get a strong coffee taste out of lattes, but it is sweet. I don't know how a latte is supposed to taste, so I'm just gonna say it tasting good. And I should have probably leave the foil in it. But yeah. Brain freeze, heat defeat, handle with chill. That's a vibe. That is a vibe. I like that. But yeah.